Hi guys! I'm now here at Mount Talamitam, and that's the peak of Mount Talamitam. Now how do you go to this place? You have two options. You can either start from Manila, ride a bus going to Nasugbu. The bus ride is good for almost 2 hours. Or you can go to Calamba. At particularly at SM Calamba, you ride a van going to Tagaytay. Then in Tagaytay, you alight at Olivares. At Olivares, you're going to ride a jeepney or a bus. The jeepney or the bus ride is good for 20 to 25 minutes. Then you're going to alight at Barangay Aga. Now, from Barangay Aga, you're going to register. The registration fee is around 20 pesos. Then you're going to trek for a minimum of 1.5 hours or 2 hours, the most. There are 4 mountains in Batangas. You have Pico del Oro, you have Mount Makulot, you have Mount Batulao, and you have Mount Talamitam. This is the easiest. The most difficult is Mount Makulot and Mount or Pico del Oro. Now, it's raining right now and there is zero visibility. That's the reason why I cannot see anything. It's August 26, 2013. Actually, there is a low pressure area, but I decided to go to this place nonetheless. You know, trekking is one of my passions, aside from spelunking and river rafting. Again, Mount Talamitam, Nasugbu, Batangas. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun in Nasugbu. Bye guys!